In a cozy living room, an orange cat and a small brown dog engage in a playful yet fierce standoff, both determined to assert their dominance over the space. As the orange cat vaults off the couch, the excitement escalates when the brown dog dashes after it, turning the calm living room into a chaotic playground. With a clever leap, the orange cat takes refuge on a bookshelf, watching the eager dog below, both creatures fully immersed in their spirited rivalry over a dangling toy. In a moment of playful trickery, the orange cat dangles the toy mouse tauntingly above the bewildered dog, sparking an exhilarating chase that fills the room with energy.